how to make protein yogurt bark, which is a really quick and easy recipe. So what you need for this one is a cup to a cup and a half of pure Greek yogurt. We're going to need 1 scoop of the Happy Way banana protein. Now you can use whatever protein you have for this recipe, but I'm going to use banana today. You'll need about 1 cup of fresh or frozen mixed berries. I'm going to be using 1 to 2 tablespoons of shredded coconut. I've got about a tablespoon here of crushed nuts. I've got 1 tablespoon of pure maple syrup just to sweeten it up a little bit, and then I'm also going to be topping it with some freeze-dried banana. Now to make it, it's really easy. You just chuck your Greek yogurt, your maple syrup and your protein powder into a bowl, whisk it until it's well combined, and then pop it into your lined baking tray. Do a nice flat layer and then just sprinkle it with all your desired toppings. We're going to then pop it in the freezer to set overnight. And when it's ready, we're going to break it up into little chunks and enjoy.